Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TechReignsWithSandeep. Today we are going to cover uh, conditional statement. But before that, in my last video we have discussed about the operators in PHP. But there is one more operator left. Like there are more than one operator left, like logical comparison. But I've already mentioned in the last video that we will cover the comparison operator and a logical one once we will going to cover the conditional statement and loop. So in this video we are going to cover the conditional statement, so we will also cover the comparison operator. What exactly comparison operators are? Like we have a two numbers, okay, and both numbers are stored in two variables, and we have a requirement that we need to compare between those numbers, okay, and we need to find out which is maximum number and which is the uh, lowest one. So there is a scenario we will compare if A greater than B, and we need to print the statement that A is greater than B. In this case, we will print the statement with the conditional statement. Okay, and conditional statement can be if else ladder. These are the type of conditional statement. So just move it to the code, and let's create a file condition.php. Okay, we will start writing our code. PHP tag. We will take two variable containing values. We have two variables, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Now we want to find out that which is maximum and which is the maximum. Then we need to print that. So without the conditional operator, we can compare like this: a greater than b. Okay, a greater than b. This is the greater than symbol. A greater than b, or we can say a less than b. We can also check like a not equals to b. We can also check a equals to b. So these are the sum of comparison operator. But without the conditional statement, we cannot drive the result which is coming after the comparison. So this is the main importance of conditional statement with comparison operator. As our requirement, we will write like this: a less than b. Curly braces is a required. This is the syntax for creating a conditional statement. Then we will write max number is b. Okay, let's try to run it. We will head over to our browser, which is our folder name PHP, and the file name is condition.php. Here you can see max number is 20. Okay, so this is the if conditional statement. The requirement is we need to find out which is the max number. Now if the requirement is something else, that we need to find the if b is max, then which is the lowest one. It's obviously a is the lowest one, but we need to print that as well with the condition. So how we will use else here, like this. Else, again the curly braces will come. We will write our message. number is A. Okay, let's run it. It's again showing max number is 20. Why? Because whenever we use conditional statement, so at a time only one condition will be satisfied. As we are checking A is less than B, which is exactly or which is correct. A's value is 10 and B's value is 20. That's why this block will execute only, not this one. So if we want to execute this block, we need to change the condition, or we need to add some value to A, by which this condition get false. If this condition get false, then only this condition will execute. So we have two options. One is we will reverse the condition. A greater than B means this will be false and this will be true. Here you can see min number is 10. Okay, so if there are more than two conditions, how we can able to justify which is the exact one, and how we can implement the conditional statement. In those scenarios we can use if else, which is also known as a if ladder, like C is equal to 15. A greater than B, A is greater than B, and we also want to add some more condition, so we can add it by else if B greater than C. A greater than B, okay, B greater than C, or else whatever the message, let's write it here, echo mid number is take anything like C. So we have used all three variables, okay, but now we need to very carefully check the conditions. What is exactly happening here? A's value is 10, B's value is 20, C's value is 15. In first condition we are checking A greater than B, A greater than B, which will become false. Then it will go to the next statement, B greater than C, B greater than C, correct. Okay, so this is the next condition. So if the next condition will get successfully will return the true, it will not check the last one. Same rule of conditional statement will also apply in the if else ladder. One block will be executed at one time, whether it is or whether it is. Let's run it again. Here you can see mid number is 15. So that's it for this lecture, and in our next video we will discuss about the loop like for each, for, and do while. So please like, support and share this video, and subscribe also my channel. Thanks for watching this video.